Hey there guys, and what's up, and in this video we will going to learn how to make Citra run faster and increase FPS rate of your game. So don't skip any part and watch this video till end, and I'm pretty sure that if you apply all the steps correctly, you will get a better FPS boost. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first of all, open your Citra, and after that, click on emulation, then configure. And here you will find all the settings of Citra. So here in general option, there is an option of emulation. So it basically decides the speed of your game. So I will recommend you to keep emulation speed between 195 to 200%. This will make your game faster and increase FPS rate. Now go to graphics, and then in enhancements option, here you will get an option of internal resolution. And keep it in native 400x200. And then enable this linear filtering option. And then go to depth option, and make it around 5%. And then go to graphics advanced option, and enable disk shader cache. And also you can see an option of VSYNC here. So if you have a good GPU, then enable it, and if you don't have a good GPU, then disable it. And go to audio and controls and keep the settings as it is. And then finally click on OK. So now if you open any game, you will see that your FPS has increased. So thanks a lot for watching this video, and please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.